Damn, bitch, pick up. Damn.
We don't take no L.
Man, this shit can't be happening right now.
You have reached the voicemail box.
Fuck.
Baby, I know I messed up, but lately you treating me like a stranger, like you don't care about my feelings. Baby, you always thought that it was alright. You used to love me with no doubt. Then I fucked up like Suge Knight. You know that we don't be fucking like all time. We gone to the club, I'm fucking these out. I forgot that I let my baby at home. Do you love me? No. Do you really love me? Ching the fool. Don't need that shot and got out the food. Got out the food. Need one needs you make me cry.
If you can sleep when your man is out crying. Yeah. Wondering if you can eat when your man is out starving. When you turn the tungo party, 'cause we don't kiss like we used to, and when I talk you don't listen. You make me cry for you.
Times, but won't you pick up? I feel like you're seeing somebody else. Am I not enough? Does it make you happy seeing me cry? Never let you for a day in my life. Everything I did it for love. Now you're acting crazy, breaking my heart.
Now what did you say? You never cheat on me, never ever hit on me. That was your mistake. You never say that shit. Now you be hurting me, like you're not dependent on me. Yo, now you make me. You make me cry.
Cry for you.